love and kindness, and that is why she is loved by many. And at her young age, she is now ready for adventure for the sake of fun and friendship. So without further ado, let us put our hands together as we welcome the highlight of this celebration. Ladies and gentlemen, our lovely celebrant, Princess Elisha Rose Datan Aquino. Once again, let's give a round of applause to our birthday celebrant, Princess Elisha Rose Datan Aquino. Let's remain standing.
This moment